What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play Nights and Nights by Gnash. Now this song is actually too short and it's actually pretty easy to play on the guitar. If you hear the song, it's actually finger picking, which is just going on simple chord shapes. So if you are not familiar with the finger picking, I'm just going to show you an easy version to show the chords. But before that, have a look at the chord shapes. G major, 3, 2, open, open, open 3. D major, mute, mute, open, second, third, second. E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Then a C major, which is mute, 3 to 0, 1, 0. So basic chords, and I think most of you guys are actually familiar to this chord progression, which is G, then a D, then a E minor, then a C. So these are actually very commonly used chord progression. So let's get started. I thought to make tab, but I thought like it's super easy. I don't need to make tabs because I've covered a lot of songs. Already covered many, so make sure to check them out. So I'm actually using my thumb to play the E string, A string, or the D string. Using my index finger to play the G string, middle finger to play the B string, and ring finger to play the high E string. Again, I'm telling you, if you're not habituated with this part, just watch this, see how it actually goes. It will be good for your future, but after that, I just want to show you an easy strum version. So thumb registered for the EAD and index, so everything is actually aligned. So I have a look at the chord progression. I start with a G major chord, and G major chord goes for 2 bar, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Then we have a D major, it goes for 1 bar. Okay. E minor, then we have goes for 1 bar. That's okay. And a C major, again 1 bar. Then a G major 1 bar. Then a D major 1 bar. So let's play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see what I'm doing. Holding the G major chord, I'm playing the E string, then the G string, then the B string, then the high E string, then the B string, then the G string, then the top E string, then the G string, then the B string, then the G string, then the E string, then the G string, then the B string, then the high E string, then the B string, then the G string. I went a bit fast, but you can just pause the video, you can hit that a couple of times. So you got E, G, B, high E string, B, G, E, G, B, G, E, G, B, high E string, B, E, G, B, G. You move on to the D major chord, and now things are actually more easy. We play the bass note, then the G string, then the B string, then the high E string. Now after the first G, what all chords I'm telling you right now, the pattern is actually bass note, then the G string, then the B string, then the high E string. We just play that once. It doesn't matter what the chord is. So bass note of the D major chord is on the D string, of the E minor is on the E string, C major is on the A string, and on the G, it's on the top string. So we got G. So see. And after, I forgot to tell you, I was playing the high E string, you just gotta play the B string. So we got bass note, G string, B string, high E string, then the B string. If you have any doubt regarding this, feel free to drop it down below. So we got D string, G string, B string, high E string, B string. And same for the E minor, E string, G string, B string, high E string, B string. C major, same thing, A string, G string, B string, high E string, B string. I come to D, E, G, B, high E string, B, and D major. So let's play from the beginning. That's it. You don't need to worry a lot. You can just do anything you want with the chord, making sure that you are actually following the rhythm. What chord are there? Following the G major, it goes for 2 bar and all. Now you can do 4 down stroke on each chord. Like the G goes for 2 bars, so we're just gonna do 8 down stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D major 4 down stroke. E minor 4 down stroke. C major 4 down stroke. Now G 4 down stroke. D major 4 down stroke. You can do anything you want. And that's pretty much everything for the song. So if this has helped you out, make sure to drop in one of these. Subscribe because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And you can see how hard I'm actually working at 1.45, something like that, 1.45k subscribers. I'm working this out. What will happen if my subscribers are actually multiplied by 10? So make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys back here in the next video. Till then, bye.